Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Celine. Welcome. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be notified of any future uploads of mine. Today's video, I am going to be doing a full face of Shopmissa products. Also have a haul on my channel of all the makeup that I purchased from Shopmissa if you want to check that out. It will be listed in the description box. I'm really obsessed with how this look came out. I really was impressed with a lot of the products. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this makeup look and how a lot of the products performed, then just keep watching. Before I get to the makeup part of this video, I do want to try out these precision eyebrow razors just to clean up the peach fuzz here on my face. Now I don't have anything on at all. I'm just going to take my moisturizer and apply that to my face to kind of help glide the little razor. It does have little grooves all over it so you can have a good grip on it. I'm just going to take my Neutrogena water gel. I'm just going to go ahead and apply it all over my face. My face is pretty dry right now, especially in my eyebrows. I don't know why they're flaking a lot. Also, I have some psoriasis here on the perimeter of my face. Not sure if you can see on camera, but I do have a lot of hair right here. Definitely does work. Just kind of do small little strokes. And don't mind all this redness here. I do have psoriasis, like I said, so there's just a lot of hyperpigmentation. I'll go ahead and do this side. As you can see, all that peach fuzz. This definitely helps with the application of your makeup, just making it look more flawless. These little razors were definitely a good investment. I'm gonna have to pick up some more. They're super easy to work with, and for just $1, they honestly work so well. Now that I'm done, I'm just going to take a makeup wipe. I'll wipe everything off to make sure there's no leftover hairs on my face, and then go back in with my moisturizer. So I'm telling you, your face will feel so much smoother. My face feels so soft after doing the razor. So now I'm going to start off with priming my face, and I picked up this AOA Studio Aqua Hydrating Face Primer. I'm just going to go ahead and apply some. It has a really nice, fresh scent to it. I really like the feel of it as well. It's very lightweight. It's got kind of a cooling effect to it. And it's not silicone. It's not that sticky consistency. It's very smooth, almost like a lotion or moisturizer feel to it. I also picked up this duo right here. This is the setting spray and the primer spray. It smells very nice and clean, very fresh. I'm gonna go ahead and start with my eyebrows. I did pick up a lot of products for eyebrows. I got these two slim brow pencils, ebony and dark brown. I also got these two pomades. This Amuse Brow Perfecting Duo. I think I might just do a pencil in this eyebrow and then the powder from this other brand and this one just to kind of try out more products. I'm gonna go ahead and brush my hairs up. I just like to start filling in from underneath and working my way to the top. It looks a little crazy, but it will come together once I conceal them. On this side, I'm going to use this Brow Perfecting Duo. I'm going to go ahead and dip into the lightest one first to see how dark that is on my brow, and then kind of go from there. I think the color is not too bad. It actually works well with my hair. With the powder product, it's a little bit more of a messy application versus the pencil product. Now that I have that and I look like I have a unibrow, I do have two concealers. This is a medium to full coverage concealer. Usually whenever I apply my foundations or concealers, I like to put it on the back of my hand, but I did pick up this mix-in palette. This is the stainless steel one and it was $2.88. It does come with this little reusable pouch that has a little snap closure on it, and also came with a spatula. I'll go ahead and add some concealer right here, just so I'm not like having to put it on my hand has a really thick consistency to it, so I'm curious to see how it works. Just gonna go ahead and clean this up. I'm gonna take my sponge. This is also from there and I already wet it. I'm just gonna tap this in. So now that I have that brow, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this one up. And we're gonna go on to eyes. I'm gonna take this eye primer. It was leaking out, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just apply the product that's already out on my eyelid. I'm sorry if I'm talking low, but my kids are currently sleeping. I don't want to wake them up, so I'm just gonna take this brush here. So I'm just gonna use this and press this in. For eyeshadows, I do have a few choices. So I'm gonna dip into this one here. This is the AOA Mother Earth palette. I'm gonna take this middle shade here and pack that into my crease. A lot of the palettes that I wanted to pick up from Shopmissa, unfortunately, were sold out. This color payoff is really good. It's not patchy or anything or hard to blend. Definitely the pigmentation is there with this shadow. I'll go ahead and open up this one. This one kind of looks a little bit more chalky. I'm hoping it's not too much of this orange shade here, and press that above where I packed on the brown shade. And just sort of blending these together. And definitely it's a little harder to work in. Go back into the trio palette. I'm gonna pick up the two orange shades and mix those together. I may just stick to using the other one for the shimmer because that's specifically kind of what I got it for, because there wasn't a lot of other shimmer ones that caught my eye. Right here it's a little harsh because of that first orange shadow that I put down. Go back in and build up the crease. I'm gonna go back into this brown shade, and then I'm also gonna pick up this one here, taking a little bit more precise brush. This is the E36 brush, and really focus it here on the crease and drag it inwards. I'm dipping into the other palette that I showed you in the brown shade. I'm just gonna press that over. Okay, so I'm gonna put the eyeshadow palettes aside for right now. I'm gonna go in with these Q-tips. These are the Magic Makeup Remover Sticks. I'm just gonna remove here. I'm gonna go back into the eye primer. I'm gonna apply that to wherever I took off the shadow. I'm gonna go in with this palette and I'm gonna use this one for the shimmer shade. I'm gonna use this light shade here. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend these together. I'm gonna pick up the orange shades. Just gonna pop this orange one right next to this. I go back into this little palette and pick up this brown shade here. I'm gonna move on to mascara. Like I usually say, mascaras don't do much for my eyelashes. They're just a lost cause. So the next thing, satin foundations. They're pretty tiny, as you can see. This is where this comes into play. This one here, I feel like it's too orange for me, and the other one is too light for me. So kind of gonna make my own shade like so. I think that's a good color. Let's go ahead and apply this. As you can see, the coverage is really good. Definitely see the difference. I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest. Go ahead and blend this side in. And this sponge is really nice as well. Very soft. Doesn't tug on the skin and blends the product effortlessly. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the other concealer. I'm just gonna go right in on my eye. Go ahead and rub that in with the sponge. Don't want to let it sit too long. It's like tacky, so don't want to be able to not blend it well. I'm gonna go ahead and bronze my face now. I'm gonna use those as a bronzer because I feel like this might be way too dark for me. Okay, I like this brush, but this bronzer is definitely too orange for me. Definitely looks more brown in here versus applying it. For highlighter, I went ahead and picked up this liquid highlighter set. This is Morning Glow. I'm gonna take a little bit on my fingers. Definitely not the best highlighter. It adds a little bit of dewiness to my face, but not much. I'm gonna move on to lashes. This is the name here. Okay, I am back. My camera ended up dying, so I went ahead and applied my lashes while I was waiting for my camera to charge. I really love the effect that these lashes give to my eyes. It looks like a wing eyeliner effect. Now I'm gonna move on to my waterline. I'm gonna take this gel eyeliner and I'm gonna run that in my waterline. I'm gonna take this a little mascara, the AOA Skinny Mascara, perfect for your lower lash line. This is the wand here. So for lips, I'm gonna take this lip liner from LA Colors, and this is in the shade Cafe. I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips. Fill them in, and I'm gonna use this She Makeup Glossy Lips. So the last step is the setting spray. I'm gonna go ahead and set it. Alright y'all, so this is the completed look with all the Shopmissa products. I am so obsessed with how this look came out. It is so beautiful. Also, all the products that I used in today's video will be listed down below, as well as the haul with all 50 products if you want to check that out. If you've come this far and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and consider doing so. Thank you so much again for watching this video, and until next time, bye.